Hello viewers. Aggregates, which are sometimes viewed as inert ingredients, occupy nearly 70 to 75% volume of concrete. However, it is now well recognized that physical, chemical and thermal properties of aggregates substantially influence the properties and performance of concrete. One of the important physical properties of coarse aggregates is determination of its specific gravity and water absorption. In this video program, we shall demonstrate the experimental procedure to find out the specific gravity and water absorption of the given sample of coarse aggregate. To carry out this experiment, the apparatus required includes a weighing balance of capacity not less than 5 kg, a thermostatically controlled oven, glass vessel of sufficient capacity, an airtight container, 10 mm IS sieve, sample under test, and the observation sheet to record the readings. To start the experiment, take approximately 1 kg sample of coarse aggregate in its natural state. The quantity of sample to be taken depends upon the size of the aggregate. Record the reading in the observation sheet. Now sieve the sample through 10 mm IS sieve to remove the finer particles. Place the sieved sample in the glass vessel. Partly fill the vessel with distilled water. Keep the aggregates immersed for 24 hours so that they are completely saturated. At the end of the soaking period, entrapped air is removed by gentle agitation. The vessel is then overfilled with water. Cover this vessel with plain ground glass disc to ensure that no air is trapped in the vessel. The vessel is then dried from the outside. Now take the weight of this assembly. Note this reading in the observation sheet as A, which is 3372 grams. The vessel is now emptied and the aggregate allowed to drain out. The aggregates are then placed on a dry cloth till it comes in completely surface dry condition. Refill the vessel with distilled water. Slit the glass disc in position as before to ensure that no entrapped air is present in the vessel. Weigh the entire assembly. Record this reading in the observation sheet as B, which is 2754 grams. After the aggregates appear to be in saturated surface dry condition, their weight is taken. This reading is recorded in the observation sheet as C, which is 990 grams. Now the aggregates are placed in an enamel tray to be kept in oven at a temperature of 100 degrees centigrade for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the aggregates are taken out from the oven and cooled in an airtight container. Note down the oven dried weight of aggregates. Record this reading in the observation sheet as D, which is 982 grams. Specific gravity can be defined as the ratio of the weight of aggregate in air to the weight of equal volume of water displaced by a saturated surface dry aggregate. Specific gravity of coarse aggregates can then be calculated as D divided by C minus A minus B, where D is the weight of oven dry sample of aggregate, which is 982 grams in this case. C is the weight of saturated surface dry sample, which is 990 grams. A is the weight of sample plus vessel plus water, which is 3372 grams, and B is the weight of vessel and water, which is 2754 grams. The specific gravity of coarse aggregate comes out to be 2.64 in the present case. Apparent specific gravity of coarse aggregates can be calculated by using the formula D divided by D minus A minus B. D is the weight of oven dry sample, which is 982 grams in this case. A is the weight of the vessel plus sample plus water, which is 3372 grams. B is the weight of the vessel and water, which is 2754 grams in this case. By putting in the values, the apparent specific gravity comes out to be 2.70. For calculating water absorption of coarse aggregates, the formula used is C minus D divided by D multiplied by 100, where C is the weight of saturated surface dry sample and it is 990 grams in this case. D is the weight of oven dry sample and it is 982 grams in this case. Putting in the values, the water absorption of coarse aggregate comes out to be 0.81%. Repeat the procedure for another sample of aggregate and record the readings in the observation sheet. The average of two readings is taken as the final result. In this video program, you have seen the apparatus and the experimental procedure, including calculations to find out the specific gravity and water absorption of coarse aggregates. Majority of coarse aggregates have specific gravity values between 2.6 to 2.9. As dry aggregates can affect the workability and the water cement ratio of the mix, it is necessary to make allowance for water absorption of coarse aggregates while calculating total water to be added to the concrete mix. I hope after having viewed this video program, you shall be able to perform this experiment in your laboratory. Thank you.